Seeking easy and delicious recipes for your child post-tonsil removal? Today we'll share 7 amazing recipes that are gentle on the throat and tasty too. After tonsil surgery, it's crucial to nourish the body with soft, nutritious meals that won't irritate the sensitive throat. Our recipes are designed to be easy on the palate while still packing a punch of flavor and essential nutrients. From sweet applesauce to creamy mashed potatoes and refreshing smoothies, we've got it all. Without further ado, let's dive into the first recipe. First on the list is a simple homemade applesauce. All you'll need are 3 ripe apples, a quarter cup of water, and a sprinkle of cinnamon for a touch of spice. Begin by peeling and coring the apples, then chop them into small pieces. Simmer the apple pieces in water until they're soft, then mash them until you reach your desired consistency. Add a dash of cinnamon to elevate the flavors. With its smooth texture and natural sweetness, applesauce is an ideal food post-surgery. Next up, we have the ever-comforting mashed potatoes. You'll need potatoes, milk, butter, and a dash of salt. Start by peeling and boiling the potatoes until they're soft. Then, drain the potatoes and mash them, adding in a little milk and butter for a creamy texture. Don't forget to sprinkle in that dash of salt for flavor. Voila! In no time at all, you've whipped up a bowl of soothing, delicious mashed potatoes. Mashed potatoes with their soft texture and comforting taste are a perfect choice. Our third recipe is the classic cream of chicken soup. For this, you'll need cooked chicken, butter, flour, chicken broth, and heavy cream. Start by melting the butter and stirring in the flour to create a roux. Gradually add in the chicken broth, stirring constantly until it thickens. Add in the shredded chicken, followed by the heavy cream. Simmer until it's heated through. Remember, the key is to keep the soup smooth and creamy. This soup offers a great balance of protein and comfort for a recovering throat. Moving on to a refreshing option, fruit smoothies. Start with a ripe banana, a cup of your favorite berries, and a splash of apple juice for sweetness. Blend until smooth. For a tropical twist, try blending a ripe banana with a cup of pineapple chunks and a splash of coconut milk. Remember, the key to a perfect smoothie is ripe, flavorful fruit. Experiment with your favorite combinations. There's really no wrong way to make a smoothie. Smoothies are not only delicious but also highly nutritious, perfect for recovery. Another soft and easy to swallow option is scrambled eggs. For this, you'll need 2 eggs, a splash of milk, and a pinch of salt. Start by cracking the eggs into a bowl, add the milk and salt, and whisk until well combined. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat. Pour in the egg mixture and let it set for a moment before gently stirring. Continue to cook until the eggs are softly set. Scrambled eggs are an excellent source of protein, making them a great choice post-surgery. For dessert, we have a fun and throat-soothing gelatin dessert. You'll need a packet of unflavored gelatin, sugar, and your choice of fruit juice. First, dissolve the gelatin and sugar in warm fruit juice. Stir until fully dissolved and then pour into a mold. Pop it in the fridge to set. That's it. A simple, delicious dessert that's easy to swallow and can be made in a jiffy with your favorite flavors. This dessert is not only fun but also very soothing for the throat. And that wraps up our list of 7 amazing recipes for children post-tonsil removal. We've journeyed through the simplicity of applesauce, the hearty warmth of mashed potatoes, the soothing cream of chicken soup, the refreshing variety of smoothies, the easy-to-digest scrambled eggs, and finally, the fun and cooling gelatin dessert. Each recipe offers its own unique blend of nutrition and comfort, essential for recovery. Remember, nutrition and comfort are key during recovery. Happy cooking, and here's to a speedy recovery for your little one.